Hello guys, it's me again Ammar and I'm back with another video. As you can hear from this video, I'm kinda sick and I just received some goodies from banggood.com. Basically I'm building a custom mechanical keyboard on a budget per se. Um, I got a Gateron yellow switches and a Skylog case and PCB along with the stabilizer and stuff and some keycaps, and I will leave everything linked in the video description below just in case you guys are interested in any of these. So yeah, let's jump into it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna talk about my experience with this particular set. Like, I already used it for about a day or almost a full day. Alright, the layout is pretty different. It's not like a 10 kilos keyboard, so you gotta get used to it if you're gonna jump to something like this. And second of all, when doing a custom keyboard, some layouts, especially on this one, the left shift is kind of two units instead of like 2.25 units, something like that. I'm not quite sure, but the normal size shift button doesn't even fit on this keyboard. So in order to combat this issue, I had to sand the shift button a little bit, just to remove a small material out of it, so it can actually sit on the switch itself without touching the Z button. Alright guys, so that will conclude this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel, and leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one.